Hey everyone, welcome back to From Zero to Affiliate here on 90 Days Journey. I'm Matt and today is day 67. Even though we've moved on to promoting paid online writing jobs, I've got some exciting news. Sales are still coming in from the write-up reviews promotion. This just shows how powerful follow-up emails can be, converting leads even after we've shifted focus. Let's dive into today's update. Sales from our previous offer are still rolling in, and today we're continuing our paid online writing job promotion. I'll share the latest stats and set up another email campaign to keep things moving forward. Plus, don't forget, we'll be switching to the Home Business Academy after this promotion, which is a fantastic $25 funnel builder and an affiliate opportunity. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's take a quick look at the stats from yesterday's email campaign for paid online writing job. Okay, let's go to MLGS. Let's log into our account. So we're seeing good engagement with open clicks, and we're starting to build the momentum. At the same time, as you can see, follow-up emails from write-up reviews are still converting, which is awesome. You can see the full information on reporting on the full report. So as you can see, write-ups, they're still converting. If we even switch to the last 7 days, we can see that this is still promoting. Out of 9 initial unique orders impression, 3 of them were converted into sales. So there are still possibility of more coming in. So now let's set up today's email for paid online writing job. As always, we'll be using the another high converting email swap provided by the offer. So let's have it set up for today. So let's go to affiliate page. Let's go to the email swipes. Now, if you send an email yesterday, then you'll be using email 3. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do it since I was on the road, so I'll be using email number 2. Let me copy the full email. And let's paste it in our document. Now, let's make the necessary changes. Let's start with the introduction. There is a country which, as you remember, we can't use. So we need to make a change here. Sign the email. And let's make the changes to our ClickBank, Hoplink, sorry. So let's start with the ClickBank ID. And to track where the lead is coming from, add the TID. So the tracking ID information. Now, okay, we have a Hoplink ready. Let's encode it in ClickBank. So let's go to Affiliate Link Tools, encode, paste your link and encode. Perfect. Now there is one spot where we'll be entering the Hoplink, which is applying here. Just right click, highlight the information, right click, insert link, and apply. Perfect. So since we have the email ready, we can now set it up in MLGS. Let's go to the mailing system on MLGS. Select all the leads. Let's get the subject. Now let's take the email body. As always, highlight only the link. Select the perfect timing and send email. Remember, as always, wait for the timer to show up. Now, it's great to see that the sales from the write-up reviews are still coming in, even though we've moved on. This is exactly why follow-up emails are such a crucial part of affiliate marketing. They keep working for you long after you've stopped actively promoting the offer. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that after we finish promoting paid online writing job, we'll be diving into the Home Business Academy, so HBA. HBA is a powerful $25 funnel builder that's also an amazing affiliate offer, which means it's not only just a tool to grow your business, but it's also a great way to earn commissions. If you're ready to get started early, check the link in the description to sign up now. And of course, if you want more tips, strategies, or just community to share your journey with, join our Affiliate Success Hub Facebook group. We're building a great community of people all working towards affiliate success. The link is in the description, so join us today. So that's it for the day 67. We're continuing strong with paid online writing job, and the results from write-up reviews are still coming in. Don't forget, we'll be switching to promoting HBA soon, so stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, all the important links are in the description below. Let's keep the momentum going, and I'll see you tomorrow for another update.